Presenting the Milton Thermosteel Flip Lid Flask in silver color. The flask is available in 1000 milliliter, 750 milliliter, 500 milliliter and 350 milliliter variants. This reusable water bottle is made from high-quality stainless steel that makes it 100% rust-free. The steel also makes the flask durable and unbreakable, making it easy for you to carry it around. This double-walled bottle comes with vacuum-insulated technology that keeps your beverages hot or cold for 24 hours. The copper coating inside the bottle also helps in better heat retention. The flask is ergonomically designed with slim, sleek body. The screw-top flip lid is entirely leak-free to prevent spills. The flip lid also makes it easier to drink directly from the flask or to pour into cups and glasses without spilling. Inside the box, you will find one Milton Thermosteel Flip Lid Flask. The Milton Flask comes with 1-year warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.